2014 Ford Mustang 3.7 liter V6 with a crazy color combination. Look at that, yellow stripes on blue. What do you guys think of the color combination? It's definitely different. Anywho, look what we got on it. Factory converter, factory X-pipe. Then we took everything else off. He brought his own bolt-on kit by Magnaflow. I'll get you guys the part number. But it bolts on there, and it fit really nice, clean. We didn't have any issues with it, guys. So shout out to Magnaflow for doing that. So it's a two-piece system. There's the midsection. So they're basically two Magna packs, there and there. And then mandrel bent 2.5-inch pipe all the way to the front. So it's for a 2014 Ford Mustang 3.7 liter. Here's the part number, 15245. And here's a description of what it looks like. There's the mufflers, there's the midsection, and the 2.5-inch clamp and piping and all that good stuff. There'll be a link in the description for it. Got the two Magnaflow Magna packs there, and then two 4-inch tips to complete the look. Stainless steel there and right there. There's that crazy color combination again, blue on yellow. I like it. It looks good on the back. I don't know about the front, but it looks good in the back. I like it. It's cool. And then there's the two mufflers, the stock ones. There's the two intermediate pipes, the 2 1/4 that we took off. There and there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer with the new setup. Nice and shiny. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go. Not bad, it's clean. There's sound decibels. Again? 103. Because the stories we can post a lot more. Perfect. Yeah. Again? That sounds really nice. For a V6, that's not bad at all. 109. Oh man, that sounds so good. Ford Mustang V6. All master outlaws. Again? 109. That's not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. Again? Sorry about the construction, guys, but they're building houses or something. So yeah, you can hear the knocking. Not bad, sounds clean. Let you guys hear on the inside.